Hello friends! It's already the third episode of making sanrio characters, and after making Puchako and Kuromi, here's pompompurin. I am starting with the body, which mostly resembles a potato, and I'm making it round because the rounder the cuter. Next, I am shaping his adorable floppy ears. For that, I am creating two teardrop shapes and sticking the pointy ends on top of his head. The same process applies for the paws and the little tail. What is great about air dry clay is that it's really forgiving and easy to use. To merge two pieces together, I simply add a drop of water and brush the pieces together with my silicone brush until the transition looks neat and clean. The water helps transform the clay into a kind of paste, which I use as a sort of cement. Now, moving on to the beret. I am making a disc that isn't too flat and with my dotting tool I am creating a little hole to place a small sausage-like shape on top of it. To attach the beret to pompompurin, I again add a drop of water to moisten the clay and then scrape it to give it texture so that the hat adheres better. And there we go. Now, let me tell you a bit about pompompurin. He is a golden retriever dog who is approximately 5 big puddings tall and weighs around 1 watermelon. Among other things, he likes collecting and hiding shoes, hanging out with his friends, and his dream is to get as big as possible. Naturally, his favorite dish is his mom's cream caramel pudding. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this air dry clay process. Let me know which sanrio character is your favorite. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses!